This lesson is on just-in-time policies. To create a just-in-time policy, first you have to go into just-in-time accounts, enable it, and when you're first going in here, it's going to give you the option to create a policy for all three of our main just-in-time account types. So we recommend creating a default, so I'll just call this default AD. Then you can select who has access to it. So you can either have this just be for primary and super roles, or you can attach a specific technician group by clicking to here and then attaching one of the technician groups you created in login management. So we're going to leave this restricted to primary and super roles to start with. Then select customer access. Also gives you the ability to allow you to have access to this just-in-time policy for either all customers that the technician has access to, or you can restrict this to a specific customer group that, once again, can be created in login management. Once you've created that, you can then select how long you want the account to be active for. Generally, we recommend unselecting this section right here so that the account's live for up to 8 hours, which can be extended from the QTech app. Then you have to choose what type of group that you want. So we're going to look for, just for our example, domain admin. So we'll select that there. At the bottom here, you do also have the ability to add custom security groups as well. So for example, here you can see we've got, HR department access or finance access. Then you're going to basically do the same thing for 365. Leave those settings the same. For our example, we'll grab global admin. Also, 365 can also add custom groups, just like AD. And then for local, we're going to do the same thing. Check those. And we'll just select admin so you can see that here. And we're going to click save. Once you save, it's then going to bring you to the main interface for this. You've got a couple of options in here as well. One of the big ones is the ability to enforce an onmicrosoft.com domain for the just-in-time accounts instead of using the custom domain that you already have by default. All you have to do is switch that on. Then over here, you can either edit and update the existing policies that you created. You can delete them. You can also easily create a new policy by clicking over here. And then at the bottom, this is where you can also enable passwordless sign-in. And you just have to select either specific customers you want this enabled for, or all current and future customers down here. Once you've got all of this configured, you're good to go and you can start using just-in-time. And this concludes our lesson on creating just-in-time policies.